behind this workshop is to receive and gather as many feedback from the participants as possible. So even if you find some questions are some technical that you cannot answer, even though we would like for you to be able to participate with us. In this case, you can see now on the screen a QR code that you can now scan with your mobile phone, and you will enter the Mentimeter application where we will ask and release some questions from our side. If you are having issues with your mobile phone scanning the code, in the next slide, I will show the URL, the link to the web page and the code you can also introduce in case you are finding issues. So you can also enter, if you are working in a desktop mode, in menti.com and introduce over there the code that is shown in the screen, so you can access the interactive presentation that we are about to show you. Hopefully, you are now entering the presentation and you can access even with your mobile phone or in the desktop mode. So let's move forward to the first question. In this case, we would like you to please share with us what best describes your profile. We have farmers or farmer organizations, advisors, agri-food industry, suppliers, retailers, policymakers, consumer, or if you find that you are not sure which kind of profile you can consider in these categories, please feel free to introduce other as results. We are now seeing that many people are included in others, so maybe you are researchers in the agri-food industry, but not related with the industry, so that's okay as well. We have now a lot of votes. Thank you very much. But even though we are 39 people here, maybe some of you are still accessing the presentation. Please remember that always in the presentation, in the header, you have this link to the website and the code you have to introduce. Seems like it's not moving any further, so let's move ahead with the next question. In this case, we would like you to allocate a total of 100% in these three categories. So in example, you can provide 40 to one category, 40 to other, and the remaining 20% to other category. These categories are environmental sustainability, economic sustainability, and social sustainability. So the idea for us is for you to allocate this 100% across these three main categories that can summarize sustainability, in this case, environmental, economic, social. So we can know more about what you consider is more relevant in this case. We are now seeing some results incoming. Thank you for participating. It seems like they are more or less balanced. Maybe environmental is the most voted, but even though for that, they are quite equal. The three of them, environmental sustainability, economic, and also social sustainability. Seems like it's not moving anymore. So let's move ahead with the next question, and thank you again for participating in this question. In the following question, we would like you to please identify the three environmental indicators that you consider most important. I remind you all the eight that are listed, and in the three of them, please rate in this case between 1 and 5 that you have on the screen. So you have to select in the first place the 3 of them you consider most important among the 8 that we are now showing on the screen. And for those 3, please rate them in a scale from 1 to 5. So we can know more about the importance that you are giving to the different indicators. It seems like from now, global warming is the most voted with total 5, followed by freshwater eutrophication. But we see that it's moving. This is interesting to receive different perspectives from the different participants. But still, global warming seems to be winning in this scale, followed by water consumption. Let's see if anyone else is voting. Seems like still some votes coming from participants. But anyway, all of the 8 are marked. So the audience seems to consider all of them relevant. But still, global warming seems to have won among participants. Let's move then to the following question. In this case, we would like to do something similar to what we've done in the previous question. So please identify on the 6 indicators you have on the screen, 3 of them that you consider most relevant in terms of economic indicators. And in this case, rate them as well from 1 to 5. We have now some votes in common. That seems like net profit is the winner right now, but still some votes incoming. It's like net profit, and then revenues are the most relevant for the audience today. Still some votes coming, but as I said in the previous slide, seems like all the 6 are considered relevant to the participants today, but seems like net profit is the most relevant for the audience. Still some votes coming. I see the bars moving. But now it seems like everyone voted. Let's move forward. And in this case, we only have 2 indicators. And we would like you to please, for the 2 of them, rate them in a scale from 1 to 5. So we have first salary and safety measures. And it seems quite equal, the votes for the 2 of them. But we are still receiving some responses. So no one vote anymore. Let's move ahead with the following question. In this case, this question is optional, so if you are not sure which answer you would like to provide, you don't have to answer anything, but obviously we encourage you to participate. And again, identified any social indicator that you consider important. And again, please rate them from 1 to 5. We already have some income votes. It's like gender wage gap is a winner, but it's still out of 19 people voting, we have 12 votes already, 30. Yeah, Now health expenditures are also top. But obviously, as you can see, that education expenditures and promoting social responsibility are also important for you. So good. If no more votes are coming, thank you again. Yes, there is new vote coming. Let's move then forward to the next slide.